Hello, I'm Jen. I'm a grad student at UALR, and I've been designing a chatbot for my MA in Professional and Technical Writing. Today I'll be showing you how to create and customize a chatbot using Google's AI building software, Dialogflow. It requires a Google account for login, so if you don't have one already, you should hit pause now and go and sign up for a Google account. But when you finish, please come back here so we can start building our bots. So today I'll show you in 5 easy steps how to log into the program and create a new account. We will make and name a new bot. I will show you how to import some pre-programmed small talk skills into the bot. Then I will show you how to customize your bot's responses. Finally, we're going to try your bot out and see if it works. Step 1, logging in and creating an account. First, we're going to sign into the program with a Google account and create a Dialogflow account. To begin, let's start at the homepage for Dialogflow at dialogflow.com. If you look in the upper right corner next to the search bar, you will see the words Go to Console in blue. Click on that. This redirects us to the Dialogflow sign-in page. Now where it says Sign in with, click on the Google logo. Select your Gmail account from the drop-down menu. It will ask you again to choose your account to continue on with Dialogflow. Then you get your standard pop-up where we have to agree to the user terms of service. Once you do this, the program will take you to the console. Scroll down and click Allow. There is one final terms of service agreement that you have to sign before we are allowed access to the console. I encourage you to read and accept the agreement so that we can continue on. Once you have, click Yes, I've read and accept the agreement, and then click Accept at the bottom. Now we're at the console page. The console is basically your home page. It's where you'll be able to access and customize your chatbot. And now that we have an account, we can get started on our bot. Step 2, how to create and name an agent, aka chatbot. Now we are ready to create your first conversation agent. A conversation agent is just a technical way to say chatbot. Click on Create Agent. Now we can name our bot. You can be creative here if you like, but this naming section is only for your benefit. Your bot will not respond to this name or identify itself with this name. If you are planning on making multiple bots, it's helpful to name the bot for what actions it will be performing. For example, a bot that tells jokes could be called JokeBot. For this demo, we will just call this bot TestBot. You can also adjust your language and time zone here if you need to. The default language is set to English, but you can change the primary language of your bot to French, Russian, or Italian. If everything looks good, click Create and you will be taken back to the console page. And congrats! You have successfully made your first chatbot. Next, we will start to program your bot by adding some pre-built basic conversation skills. Step 3. How to import small talk into your agent. Now that we have a bot, we can help it learn by adding some pre-programmed small talk skills. Look in the Actions column on the left of the screen. You will see a list of actions starting with intents, then entities, then knowledge, and so on. Go down to the action Small Talk and click on it. Small Talk is a set of pre-programmed responses to common user inputs. It gives your bot some basic intelligence to start out with. Notice in the example, User, how are you? Agent, wonderful as always, thanks for asking. With this feature enabled, you will save a lot of time programming basic responses. Under the example box, you will see a switch that says Enable. Switch it on by swiping to the right, then click Save. Next, I will show you how to customize some of our responses to personalize our bot. Step 4. How to add customized responses. Smalltalk is a skill that requires some programming to work well. It has a number of folders that contain several questions or comments that a user might tell the bot. These are called inputs. It's your job to fill in the answers that you want the bot to give in response to these inputs. This warning here is telling you that filling in all of these folders can confuse your bot if you import another pre-built feature. This will not affect us today, but if you want to continue programming this bot, I recommend you read more about it by following this link, Import the Pre-Built Agent. Now, see Smalltalk customization process is at 0. This is where we're going to start. Let's select the About Agent folder to start customizing your bot. Under About Agent, there are several questions and statements that we can provide customized responses to. The first question is, who are you? You should respond to these questions as if you are the bot. So I will type in, I am the amazing test bot. Then click Enter. You will notice that a second space will appear for another response. You do not have to add another response, but the more responses a bot has to a single question makes the bot more intelligent through the AI, and I think it makes it more interesting for the user. I usually give at least 3 responses to common questions. The AI will choose one of the answers at random. The next question is, how old are you? I will say, none of your business. And another option, I will answer, how old do you think I am? These answers are enough for us to test the bot, so I will click Save up here and save my progress. Feel free to pause the video here if you want to fill in more answers. When you return, I will show you how to test the bot. Step 5. How to test your chatbot. Now we will test your bot to see if our customization worked. The right side of the page is the testing window. You'll notice next to the blue Save button, you see the words Try It Now. Click on this and type in one of the customized questions. We will try, how old are you? The bot should respond with our new customized response. Click Enter. And down here under Default Response, you see it responded with, how old do you think I am? Great. Now let's try something we didn't change to see how the pre-programmed entries work, like hello. Down here, Default Response, hello, how can I help you? Even though we haven't entered an answer for this question yet, the bot will respond with a pre-programmed message like this one. If the bot responds with a fail message, like, I'm sorry, can you say that again? That means that the bot failed to understand your input. For example, when I type, how you feeling? The default response is, sorry, what was that? You should try to type the same message again using slightly different wording. Feeling wonderful. Even if this had resulted in another fail message, don't be discouraged. Your bot is still learning and will improve its conversation skills over time and use. Congratulations! You have now made and programmed a basic chatbot. For more information on designing bots with Dialogflow, go to their documents page and read all about it. Enjoy your bot, and thanks for watching.